So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new channel into existing channel. So because of my last channel is like I got a lot of strikes. So let's get started. So I opened the Chrome and go to the YouTube. Open my channel here, view your channel. Here this is my channel, so I want to create another channel because I can't upload any video next 3 to 6 months, and maybe I don't know the fixed number of months, so I just create a new channel. So here, go to the click here over the logo here, and go to the settings section. Here you have seen the channel status and features. Create a new channel. I just simply click over there. Okay, so type here Mr. Techie tier 2. Yeah, I already checked it. So Mr. Techie underscore TO2. Mr. Techie 2. Simply click over here, create channel. Okay. So now my new YouTube channel is created here. So now my next videos are going to upload it over here in this channel. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you found this video very helpful, then hit like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. If you are thinking about to create a new YouTube channel, then it will like very helpful for you to start your new channel. So thank you guys. Bye bye.